Regular verbs have four principal parts: the base form, past participle, and present participle. These parts are essential for forming various verb tenses, which are crucial for expressing time and sequence in communication. Verbs, the core of every sentence, describe actions, states, or occurrences. Their tenses, derived from four principal parts, indicate when actions occur, showing time, sequence, and conditions. Regular verbs have four principal parts: the base form, present participle, past, and past participle. The base form is used in the present tense. The present participle adds ing, used with be. The past and past participle forms add adid or d, used with have or be. Examples include walk, walking, walked. The present tense describes actions occurring now. For singular subjects, add s or s to the verb, as in, she sings beautifully. For plural subjects, the verb stays in its base form, like they read books every day. Similarly, the dog barks loudly illustrates this rule. The present participle describes ongoing actions using the base form plus ing, combined with forms of the verb be. For example, Elena is talking, the children are playing, and I am writing a letter. This structure highlights actions in progress, emphasizing their continuous nature. The past tense describes actions that have already occurred. For regular verbs, form the past tense by adding ed or d to the present form. For example, the man walked to the store, they talked for hours yesterday, and she played the piano last night. The past participle indicates completed actions, often used with helping verbs. For regular verbs, add ed or d. Helping verbs include forms of be and have. Examples: the dog has walked, I have finished my homework, and the letter was written by him. Identify the verb's principal part in each sentence. For example, hatched is past, have been paddling is present participle, help is present, have landed is past participle, am trying is present participle, slithered is past, is coming is present participle, and leaped is past. The girls decided not to go to the movies. Carlos always finishes his homework before dinner time. The soccer team is practicing on the field. Emma has rehearsed her lines in the play many times.
Regular verbs have four principal parts: present, present participle, past, and past participle. The present form indicates current actions, while the present participle shows ongoing actions with be. The past form describes completed actions, and the past participle, used with be or have, indicates completed actions in perfect tenses or passive voice.